Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download maps on Google Maps so you can use them offline even without Wi-Fi or mobile data. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Google Maps application on your phone and make sure that you're signed in with a Google account. Now, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and in the pop-up, click on Offline Maps. Tap on Select Your Own Map and then zoom in or zoom out to choose the area you want to download. Now tap on the download button at the bottom right corner and Google Map will download the entire selected area for offline use. You can then access the map later by going to the offline map section even if you don't have the internet connection. So that is how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple tutorials and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching and safe travels.